Hey there and welcome back to another video on this channel. So in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix network error has been occurred on your eFootball. Okay, so first of all let me show you how you can solve it. First of all, you have to go to your browser and search for this site, and then you have to on the search bar you have to search for https://x.com /play eFootball. Search for it and tap enter. Then you have to log in or sign up. Then you have to head over to your settings, and then you have to search for apps, and from apps here you have to search for your eFootball location. Then you can clear cache of it. So if it still does not work, then you have to head over to eFootball and delete this and reinstall your eFootball on your phone. So that's it. This is how you can solve the network error occurred. An invalid command has been detected. The code is NAJM0027 eFootball problem. Okay, so if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye, see you in the next video.